Hello guys, Brad here with another fragrance video. I got a package in the mail today. I thought I would share it with you guys, and it is a box full of Marc Jacobs Men samples, 38 samples total. This is what 38 samples looks like inside the box right there. Quite a few samples there. If you do the math, 1.5 times 38, you'll see that that's a lot of juice right there. Actually more juice than a typical 1.7 ounce bottle, I believe. So each sample looks like this. So 1.5 ml, Marc Jacobs Men. The bottle right there, it's like a yellow juice in a cube shaped bottle with a black cap. The richness of fig, the sensuality of spices, and musk. And I've been a big fan of Marc Jacobs Men ever since I've smelled it. I consider it to probably be the best fig fragrance on the market, in my opinion. A lot of people would say, no, I like this better or that better, but for me, I think Marc Jacobs for Men just is the best. I think it's got the great balance of spices, musk, and fig. Some people might argue, well, what about Diptyque's Flossicos? And, well, that one is a little bit too leafy and green, in my opinion. I think the sweetness and the spiciness of Marc Jacobs Men makes it, in my opinion, the best fig fragrance that I know of. And I believe it's discontinued, and bottles are selling only on eBay pretty much at the moment. Maybe you could spend around $60 or $70 on a bottle off of eBay. I think I spent about $74, $75 for this pack of samples here, and I'm sure it's going to last me a lifetime. So whenever I need my fix of fig, I'm good to go. And one of the things I like about samples versus bottles, these are great for traveling. If I ever go out of town, like on an overnight trip, put one or two of these in my shaving kit, and I'm good to go. I don't have to worry about bringing a big bottle and having it break or get confiscated or stolen. You know, I have plenty of samples left. If something breaks, so I'm good to go. So that's one advantage of having the sample. You know, you don't have to worry about the traveling aspect and the breakage aspect, stuff like that. It smells great in my opinion. If you like fig, it has a very summery, almost like a coconut-like aspect to it. So it kind of has like a beachy smell to it, and it's great in the summertime if you go like on a trip overnight, especially in the summertime. And it's hot. Maybe you're going to the beach. You know, this would be a great one to throw on before going out for the day. Marc Jacobs Men. So glad to have some Marc Jacobs Men in my collection. If you haven't tried Marc Jacobs Men, it might be a little bit harder to get your hands on it than it used to, but definitely recommend checking it out if you ever get the chance. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.